Hello, this is a S500 Formatic, the new one. Okay, this car come here for the map conversion from UK to Southeast Asia. Okay, let's take a look of his map now. Go to this full screen map view. Okay, this is a map view, and over here it's same, right? Okay, same. You can continue zooming like this. Okay, this is the European maps over here. Yeah, we are loading the map now. You can see it's a Southeast Asia, right? There. Okay, restart navigation. Update has been installed. Restart navigation to apply update. Actually, restart navigation is not restart the system. Okay, we just click the restart navigation. Okay, we can see here, right? The map is showing finished. Yeah, the time zone is already synchronized, so we can see the map now. Navigation. Okay, so we will go outside to fix the satellite. We turn on the car. You can see the head-up display is showing, right? And this is the home screen. Navigation. It's in Singapore now. Yeah. This screen also can show up this guy. Sorry. Show up this map view. Okay. So this is a map of Southeast Asia, Singapore. Actually, we have 5 head-up display settings, right? Yeah, the navigation come out, and we can see inside this service error message 0. Huh? It's perfect. Go to the navigation. You can do this where to. Then you can key in the postcode or whatever address you can type, right? Then you can 65. Okay, anyone? Teban Garden. Then we set the destination. Then we let's go. Okay, in from here also same, right? Inside the instrument cluster, we can inside the digital. Sorry, this is what I call the head-up display. Okay, like this, much more clear, right? Okay. This is a very big, huge digital head-up display. So if you watching my video, it's not so clear. But if you watch by your own eyes, it's really damn clear. You can see this augmented reality head-up display is totally different from the normal head-up display, right? So you will get all AR navigation if you running on the road. This is AR navigation in the head-up display for this W223. Yeah, very nice. Okay, we are going to turn left again. We can see the 5 arrows there, right?
Turn left. In 100 meters, turn left, then you will have reached your destination.
Yes, we turn left, then our destination arrived.
Now turn left, then you will have reached your destination.
Okay. This is
You have reached
AR
your
HUD.
destination area. The destination is on the left.
Okay.